News coming in, the 45-minute flag meeting between Indian BSF and Pakistan Rangers has ended. We understand that sniping of Jawans and civilians being targeted was raised by India in this flag meet.
45-minute-long flag meeting between BSF and Pakistani Rangers at Nicobar border outpost has finally come to an end. The meeting is expected to diffuse the tension between two countries. During the last 45 days, there has been intense shelling from Pakistan's side, and this has been the most prolonged aggression since 1971. And we have seen that the Pakistan had been pounding shells on mostly the civilian areas. From Indian side, it was Commandant of 33 Battalion S.K. Singh who participated in the meeting, and from Pakistan side it was Wing Commander Mohammad Waqar who was from their side. Though the agenda of the meeting from Pakistan side was not clear, but Indian side lodged a protest about targeting of the civilian population by Pakistan during the last several days. It is not clear because we have seen off and on whenever there is a flag meeting between India and Pakistan, Pakistan has always been in a denial mode. They have denied whatever has happened from their side. But one thing is positive is that at least they have started talking, because on the 16 previous occasions India has tried to lodge the protest, but there had been no response from Pakistan side except for 2 or 3 occasions when they have attended the phone call. In most of the cases they had refused to attend the phone calls of protest from the Indian side. In fact, they responded with the spate of fresh shelling. So this dialogue process, the flag meeting that has been held at the Nicobar border outpost, is seen as a beginning, hoping that maybe this will once again bring the calm on the border, and the people of border area will get some respite from the shelling, because they had been the worst sufferers. Many of them have lost their lives, and some of them had been maimed because of the flurrying splinters, killing splinters from the trigger-happy Pakistani Rangers.